Unlock the power of secure online payments by integrating the Stripe payment gateway into your Node.js e-commerce application. First, navigate to your Stripe dashboard and locate your API keys. We'll need both the public and secret keys to establish a secure connection between your server and Stripe. On your Node.js server, you'll install the Stripe Node.js library. This library provides all the necessary functions to interact with Stripe's powerful API. Next, initialize the Stripe library with your secret API key. This step authenticates your server with Stripe, allowing it to initiate payment processes. Now, let's focus on the client side. You'll use Stripe's client-side libraries to create a payment form. This form securely collects customer payment details without ever touching your server. When the customer submits their payment information, it's tokenized on the client and sent securely to your Node.js backend. This token represents the payment details, but not the sensitive card information itself. On the server, you'll receive this token and use it with your secret API key to create a charge with Stripe. This is where the actual payment processing happens. Once the charge is successfully processed by Stripe, you'll receive a confirmation. Your Node.js application can then update your database, mark the order as paid, and inform the user of their successful transaction. This simple yet robust integration allows you to offer seamless and secure payment experiences for your customers, boosting your e-commerce capabilities.